Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Moti DONGOR illegal houses issue resurfaces. Communidade serves notices to 42 houses. Gives deadline of 15 days to prove the legality of houses. Church intervenes in the meat crisis, urges CM to solve the issue as quick as possible. Court adjourns the matter for Tuesday, meat shop owners trouble. Indian Navy Goa block to get MiG-29 fighter planes. Commissioning ceremony on 11th May at INS Hansa Naval Base at Daboli. Union Defence Minister A.K. Anthony to attend the ceremony. RTI activist files complaint with Vigilance Department against wife of MLA Pandurang Madkaikar. Alleges Janita Madkaikar of committing a fraud as Sarpanch by issuing NOC to a shopping centre very close to Old Goa Church. Churchill brothers look for glorious Tuesday. Draw against Mohan Bagan can crown Churchill the champions of India. Now the news in detail. The issue of illegal houses at Moti DONGOR has come to the fore once again. South Goa Communidade has issued eviction notices to 42 houses on Monday. Communidade has snapped an ultimatum of 15 days to produce legally valid documents. This is for the third time Moti DONGOR residents are served with notices of eviction in the last 6 months.
South Goa Communidade has issued eviction notices to 42 houses. 10 houses were served notice on Monday. After BJP government took over in March 2012, this is the third time Moti DONGOR residents are witnessing show cause notice shocker. They are given a time of 15 days to prove with valid documents that their structures are legal. In case of failure to do so, Communidade will issue demolition order. Moti DONGOR has in total 415 houses and other structures.
I being a scribe of the Margang Communidade, 42 notices of Margang Communidade is given to me to serve for the applicants, which is coming under the Chalta number 1 of petition number 195 at Torsadur. So finally I have served 10 notices. So remaining notices are to be served.
How many notices?
Altogether is 42 notices given by the administrator of Communidade.
Section 144 has been invoked in Margaon considering the security, law and order. Pratik Parab for Prudent.
High Court's ban on import and slaughter of animals from other state continues. Crisis continued as the High Court did not hear the matter on Monday. All Goa Meat Traders Association on Monday approached the High Court seeking permission to buy and import animals from other states for slaughtering. Court has adjourned this matter for Tuesday. Meat prices have skyrocketed. Church has demanded immediate intervention of the Chief Minister as the order affects minority communities.
Forced to shut down their businesses, All Goa Meat Trader Association on Monday knocked the doors of the High Court. All Goa Meat Trader Association has pleaded to buy and import eligible animals from other states for slaughtering. The High Court in its interim order has imposed a ban on importing animals from the other states. Now the contention of trader is that there are no eligible animals available in Goa, and due to this they are forced to shut down their business. Meanwhile, meat traders along with the Executive Secretary of Council for Social Justice and Peace, Father Maverick Fernandes, held a meeting with the chairman of Goa Meat Complex in Panji. Father Maverick said that High Court's order is affecting the traders and consumers, both from minority community.
As a consumer community of Catholics and Christians, we find this as an infringement on the rights of minorities, because there are the meat traders who are also the minorities, and and the consumers largely also are minorities. So from that point of view, we wanted to know what is this government wanting to do. Our community is concerned about this and they want to know what the government is going to do about it. We want an immediate answer on this subject from the government.
Chairman of Goa Meat Complex Lyndon Montero says he will follow court orders.
As far as the Goa Meat Complex is concerned, we have to strictly go by the order passed by the Honorable High Court, and we will follow whatever orders the Honorable High Court has given.
The High Court is yet to decide about custody of the seized underage animals at Meat Complex, which are currently in the custody of Ponda Mamladar. The High Court will hear this matter on Tuesday. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Union Defence Minister A.K. Anthony will commission MiG-29K fighter planes for the Indian Navy in Goa. Commissioning ceremony will be held on 11th May in Goa. Indian Navy PRO informed news agency PTI that the squadron named INAS 303 Black Panthers will be commissioned by the Defence Minister at INS Hansa Naval Base at Daboli.
The aircraft were inducted in the force on 19 February 2010. The last 3 years since the induction have seen men and their machines attain full operational status, and the squadron is now ready to undertake any mission assigned. It's ready to be commissioned into a frontline unit of the Indian Navy squadron. The MiG-29K is a potent carrier-borne fighter which, once integrated with the INS Vikramaditya, will bolster the Navy's punch with its multi-role capability. The aircraft, armed with its arsenal of weapons, including advanced anti-aircraft and anti-ship missiles, precious bombs and sophisticated systems to support weapon delivery, will not only be able to dominate the air in all spectrum of conflict, but as well to simultaneously project power to meet the nation's military objectives. This lethal fighter aircraft will enhance Indian Navy's capability to exercise air superiority in its area of influence. It will decisively enhance the core of Navy striking power. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.